just got a new sewing machine, the Singer heavy duty machine, and today I'm going to be unboxing it to show you what comes in the box and how to set it up. This machine, guys, makes up to 32 different stitches and it can handle heavy fabric. Like I said, this is the Singer heavy duty sewing machine. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The packaging seems to be really sturdy and well protected. Here it is. Here is a bunch of paperwork, thank you pamphlet, and then the user manual. This contains clear instructions on how to set it up, thread the machine, basically everything that you need to get started. In this pack, there's a pack of needles, there's the button foot, the extra bobbin, and all that jazz. Here is the presser foot. The entire packaging seems to be very thoughtful, honestly. And then the sewing machine. I'm so excited. I'm struggling to get it out of the box. I'll start by threading the bobbin, put my thread in the spool pin, and then just follow the directions. So there are guidelines on the machine, and I'm just going to follow those guidelines. Pretty simple and specific. So to here and then to the bobbin. Then I place it there and push to the right, like that, and connect the cable, then switch it on. So I just do enough to show you, and then I push it to the left and take it out. Now let's thread the machine. I'll follow the same guidelines all the way to the needle. Another cool part of this sewing machine is that it has an inbuilt needle threader, so I don't have to bother about getting my thread through the eye of the needle. I just use the threader. The next thing I'm going to do is replace the bobbin with the one that I threaded. I think like 3 bobbins came with the machine. And so I'm just going to close that place up and bring up the thread with my needle. So this machine makes 6 basic stitches, 7 stretch stitches, 18 decorative stitches, and 1 buttonhole stitch, which makes it 32 stitches in all. It has an adjustable stitch length and width. So here I'm just going to do the straight stitch first, adjust my tension and all that jazz, and then we sew. This machine can make over 1,000 stitches in 1 minute, and it seems to be sewing really smoothly. Now let's try the decorative stitch. Depending on what you're trying to achieve, you can adjust the length and the width of your stitch. And I'm just going to leave my tension at 4. Sleek. Yeah, so long story short guys, whether you're working on simple crafts or you're working on large scale projects, this machine has got you covered. I have a couple of upcycling projects coming up and I will be sharing my process with you guys. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode.